So this is the final challenge for today. I'm going to read them through so you can have a go, and then I will go through the answers on the next slide. So, some children are converting 1,206 pence into pounds, and it asks you who is correct. So, Whitney has said that she thinks 1,206 pence is the same as £12.6. Rosie has said that she thinks 1,206 pence is £12.06. And then Teddy has said that he thinks 1,206 pence is £120.6. So just look at some of those. You may be able to see straight away why some of them maybe don't look quite right. Have a go at working out yourself as to what amount it would be, and then explain who you think is correct. Then the second one, hopefully some of you have done an always, sometimes or never, but I'm going to explain it to you just in case. It says Eva has these coins. So they're the only coins she's allowed to use. And maybe you could have a go at doing this yourself with those coins if you've got them at home. It says she picks up 3 coins at a time. You need to decide whether the statements, these 4 down here, are always true, sometimes true, or never true. So what that means is she says she can make a total which ends in 2. Does that mean that every time she picks up 3 coins, the total will always end in 2? Does it mean that it will sometimes end in 2, sometimes will, sometimes won't? Or does it mean it will never end in a 2? So when she picks up her 3 coins, will it sometimes make a total that ends in a 2, always make a total that ends in a 2, or never? So that's what you need to do. You need to read these statements. She can make an odd amount. So when she picks up the 3 coins, she makes an odd amount, always, sometimes, or never. She can make an amount greater than £6. So every time she picks up 3 coins, is it going to be more than £6? Always, sometimes, or never. And she can make a total which is a multiple of 5 pence, always, sometimes, or never, when she picks up 3 coins. So have a think about that, and I'll go through the answers with you on the next slide. So for the children converting 1,206 pence into pounds, Rosie was correct. Whitney has not written 6p in the correct column. If I was to add the 0 on to the end, she would have written 60 pence, which would have been 1,260. So she's put her 6 in the incorrect place. Teddy has not understood how many pence there are in a pound, so he's got confused. So he thinks that there are 120 pounds in 1,206 pence, when actually we know that there are 12 pounds. So Rosie is correct. 1,206 pence is the same as £12 and 6p. So well done, Rosie. Then let's have a look. So she can make a total that ends in a 2. Never. That is never true. And that's because she doesn't have any coin ending with a 2p. She doesn't have a 2p coin. So she can't make a total that ends in 2. It can end in 5 pence or 10 pence or 0, because it could just be a whole pound. However, she can't ever get it to end in 2. She can make an odd amount sometimes. So for example, she could make £3 and 5 pence, but there are other times when she could make an even amount. For example, she could pick up £1.20 by picking up the 2 10p's, £1.20, and that would be an even amount. So it's only sometimes that she can make it an odd amount. She can make an amount greater than £6. Never. Because she can only choose 3 coins, the largest she can make is £5, with the 2 £2 coins for £4 and a £1 coin. So picking up the largest coins available to her, she can still only make a total of £5. So she can never make a total greater than 6. And lastly, she can make a total which is a multiple of 5, always, because every single one of the coins is a multiple of a 5 pence piece, because a pound is 100 pence, and we know that 100 is in the 5 times table. 10p, well, 10 is in the 5 times table. 5p is obviously 5 is in the 5 times table, and a £2 200 would also be in the 5 times table. So that is always true, because every amount she can make would be a multiple of 5. So very, very, very well done if you got that right. And I'll see you soon for more maths videos. Goodbye.